Okay, so we're back. We have some updates.
We heard from the mechanic. Unfortunately, it's not going to be done by 1 o'clock, which is the time we have our late checkout at the hotel.
Right. So we have a couple options. We could pay $40 to stay at the hotel until 5 and then go to the RV park and stay there for another $40 for that night, or we can just continue to stay here for a total of $75 with the pets. Who knows? Maybe the mechanics will be done with it by 3. But even then, that puts us not even getting on the road until probably 4 o'clock or 5.
Yeah.
And we don't really want to be setting up in the dark. And we're trying to figure it out.
Hoping at this point, I guess stay in the hotel tonight, somehow hook the RV up to power so that her batteries are getting charged at least overnight, and then leave first thing in the morning. I know one way we can do that is if we ask the mechanics to just do that, hook her up. But we still need to get the car keys somehow.
We need to get the car keys, and we need to figure out a way to refrigerate the stuff. If we can plug it in, maybe we can transfer to a mini fridge. I think we can park the RV here overnight if we need to.
Mm-hmm.
Or we can leave it parked at the mechanic's place.
Yeah.
What do you guys think we should do? I know it's very confusing. Don't worry. We're going to come up with our own decision. We're not going to put this all entirely on you, even though your advice is appreciated. What do you think, Footy?
Footy just wants to keep making biscuits.
Yeah, she doesn't care as long as she gets breakfast. Uh-oh, here comes pizza, too.
Yep, he's getting jealous that Footy's getting all the attention. And then, of course, Ami is just hanging out here, too.
Got the whole family here. So that's where we're at. We'll keep you posted. We really have to do a shout out to Deborah, the host down here at
Baymont.
At the Baymont by Wyndham.
In Elizabethtown.
In Elizabethtown, Kentucky.
She's been super helpful in trying to make sure that we are taken care of in the middle of all this.
So accommodating and just so understanding and so patient and non-judgmental, because I'd be like, who are these people and why don't they have their crap together? But no, so if you're ever in Elizabethtown, Kentucky, stop into the Wyndham, the Baymont by Wyndham, and tell Deborah hello for us. Good luck.